Hi guys, so I have data regarding the mass and height of rugby and sailors in the Olympics. And as you can see, look at the column headers. These are the female rugby players. These are the male rugby players. That's mass. And as the same, sailing female, sailing male. And here are the heights. Now, let's say these two columns can look this way, or sorry, these two columns can look this way, and that's called wide data set, and that's the same data in arrow format with a grouping variable and only one values column. Many software like to use the data this way, and I'll now show you how to do the conversion in Excel. So first I have to select, let's say, the whole table. I could also only select the columns I want to transform, but let's not do that now. I selected the whole column and I go to data from table range. Now I have some other sort of data structure, and now I'm in the Excel query builder. And let's say we want to compare or do something with rugby female versus sailing female. So I select those two columns, go to the transform and unpivot. And now the same data appears in the structure I've shown you before. But bear in mind that the other columns are now twice as long. These have repetitions of the data, so these are now not the true data. Once I've finished, I can keep the query. It will open in a new sheet and remove this junk, and I'm done.